Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of the Beginner's Guide to HTML series. Today we're going to be talking about HTML text formatting and HTML comments. First of all, we're going to learn how to achieve this. So, how to achieve bold text, italics, subscripts, and superscripts. Hint, we do it using tags. Okay, so open up Sublime Text. As you can see, I have that open, and I'm going to create a new file and save this file. And we're going to call that webpage7.html. So webpage7.html, and let's open up an HTML tag. And if you're not using Sublime Text, I recommend you download it now. So now, let's go into our body and create 3 lines and close up the paragraph. And now, in order to make your letters bold, we use the B tag. This is bold, and then close up the B tag and give it a BR tag. And in order to achieve italics, you use the I tag. This is italic. In order to achieve subscript, we type sub. And in order to achieve superscript, we type sup. Okay. Save this document and go into our web pages folder. I'm going to delete all the other earlier files that we have created just so it looks a little less cluttered. So as you can see, the bold tag and the italic tag and the subscript and superscript tags behaving just the way we wanted them to. Okay, so let's give our document a heading as well, just so we know what this page is talking about. Now, alternatively for bold, you can also use the strong tag, and this is strong. It'll basically achieve the same thing. Okay, sorry, in the last video I forgot to increase the font size, so if you had trouble watching what I was typing in the last video, I apologize. So now we can obviously combine tags together. So if you want this is strong tag, if you want this line to be italic as well, then just use the I tags and reload the page. And as you can see, this is strong and italic. If you want to underline it, anything, use the U tag. Don't forget the BR tags for line breaks. Now if you want to highlight something, use the mark tag. If you want a horizontal line on your letters, you use the deleted text tag, which is this is deleted. And these are just some of the ways you can format your text. So we've learned about how to make bold text, how to make how to nest 2 tags together, such as strong and also italic. We have learned about italics, underlines, subscripts, and superscripts, how to highlight text, and how to create a horizontal line in our text. Alright, now let's talk about how to make comments in our code. First of all, why would you even want to make comments in your code? That's because if you want somebody else to read your code later and understand what's going on, then you need these comments to explain to people what's going on in this section. So the way to write comments in HTML is you create a less than sign and then an exclamation point and then 2 dashes. And then in order to close the comment, use 2 dashes and then like greater than sign. And over here, whatever you type in between these comments will not be displayed in your browser. So let's say the following line contains a heading. Let's save this document and reload the page. As you can see, nothing in our website changed at all. But if we go to our view page source, you can see the comment is right here. Now let's copy this and paste it under the H1 tags, and then write the following line contains a paragraph. Save it, and if you go back to view page source, then you can see the following line contains a paragraph. We can have multi-lined comments as well. So no matter where you go, you can still type in comments, and as long as you have this dash dash greater than sign. So this is what you use to signal that this is where the comment ends. So that's pretty much it for this video. You might have noticed that I've skipped over the HTML quotations because I just didn't feel like it was an important topic. But if you're curious, just go over this yourself. And I'll see you in the next video.